Did you know the longest hiccup lasted over 60 years? Meet Charles Osborne, who started hiccuping in 1922. He hiccuped continuously for more than 6 decades. Imagine trying to live a normal life with that condition. Doctors were baffled, unable to find a cure. Charles even tried various remedies, but nothing worked. Despite his hiccups, he lived a full life. He even became a local celebrity due to his condition. Charles hiccuped over 900 million times in his lifetime. He finally stopped hiccuping in 1990 at age 96. His story teaches us about resilience and humor. What would you do if you had hiccups for decades?